Maybe this is you. You've read the books, said the affirmations, cleared the crystals, hit the gym, journaled your heart out, and still, every time you approach the edge of real change, something inside you hits the brakes. You promise you'll ask for the raise and your tongue turns to sand. You swear you'll leave the relationship and suddenly the apartment hunt feels impossible. You decide to show the world your art, and within hours you've convinced yourself the timing is off. You're not weak, you're not lazy, you're loyal. Loyal to a subconscious contract written in the ink of survival long before you had words to defend yourself. What is a subconscious contract? It's not just a belief, it's not mindset, it's not fear of success. A subconscious contract is an unspoken deal. Your nervous system made in a moment it felt unsafe. It sounds like this. If I stay invisible, chaos can't target me. If I carry everyone's weight, they won't leave me. If I master every detail, humiliation can't catch me off guard. If I never need, abandonment has no leverage. These aren't thoughts. They're body-level covenants, and they run your behavior until you break them. The mind forgets the day the contract was drafted, but the body never does. So every next level, every new edge, gets stamped with the same internal clause: danger, retreat. Why you can't logic your way out. You've tried everything. I know public speaking won't kill me, yet you shake. I deserve big love. Yet you text your ex at midnight, I'm a money magnet. Yet you underprice your work again. The reason? The body's first language isn't logic, it's pattern recognition. If stepping forward once brought pain, the pattern prints beware on every similar doorway. What it's costing you. Every contract charges interest. Dreams deferred until they fossilize into regrets. Friendships kept shallow to avoid intimacy that tests your mask. Careers designed around skill, not soul, leaving you rich in compensation and bankrupt in meaning. And the longer you honor the contract, the further you drift from the unlived life waiting on the other side of fear. This is where the real work begins. Ritual 1: Silence. Sit somewhere no one applauds, phone off, no playlists, no glow but the lamp. Notice what rises when there's nothing left to distract you. What topic makes your stomach clench? What desire shows up first, then drowns under reasons? That tension is a breadcrumb. Follow it. Ritual 2: Witness the origin. Close your eyes, let your body scroll its archives. Ask, when did I first learn it was safer to hold back? Maybe it's 3rd grade. You answer too quickly, laughter erupts. The dinner table. You share an idea, an adult's face hardens with mockery. A hospital room. You parent your own parent and promise never to need. Write the scene like a courtroom transcript. Who, what, the smell, the light, the wallpaper. The clearer the memory, the weaker the shadow. Ritual 3: Grieve the contract. You can't bypass grief. You must compost it. Feel the weight of birthdays where you dimmed your excitement, jobs you declined because success felt like exile, love you ghosted because closeness felt like liability. Grief isn't self-pity, it's accurate accounting. Until you tally the cost, you won't risk paying anything different. Ritual 4: Terminate the clause, rewrite the contract. Old: if I absorb the family's emotion, conflict won't explode. New: other people's storms are not my forecast. Now read it aloud. The throat is where truth graduates from thought to reality. Trembling is proof the nervous system is listening. Then, post it somewhere someone else can see. DM a friend. Sticky note on your mirror. Let it be witnessed. Visibility shatters secrecy. Ritual 5. The 30-Day Disruption Protocol. Days 1-7. Micro acts of defiance. Ask for the manager if problem with the food. Say, "I'm not okay." And pause. Raise your rates by 5%, hit send, and sit in the silence. Days 8-14. Controlled exposure. Pick an environment where your contract rules show up differently, on purpose. Wear color. Speak first. Don't apologize. Document what happens in your body. Days 15-22. Rest and repattern. Your system will rebel. Schedule recovery. Cold showers, somatic shaking, slow breath, long exhales. Teach your body, we survive new behavior. Days 23-30, stake in the ground, claim the new identity, publicly, launch the blog, end the situationship, set the boundary, expect resistance. Some will admire you, others will retreat, stay the course. 30 days rewires the baseline, 90 makes it culture. Ritual 6. Integration. This part's not glamorous, this part's not on Instagram. You'll feel guilt and mistake it for morality. Crave old numbness. Panic when praise replaces criticism. Lose people who loved your old compliance. This isn't failure, it's nervous system recalibration. Stay longer, breathe slower. Keep the new contract in sight. What this really looks like? It's 2 a.m. You're staring at the ceiling, wondering if the cost of honesty is worth it. Your chest feels hollow. Silence is loud. Regret whispers louder. I hear you, but I choose me. I'm not late. I'm alive. Place a hand on your chest. Feel the exhale you've been postponing for a decade. Nobody photographs this, nobody hashtags this, but this is the birthplace of a life that can finally expand to fit you. Step 7. Your new edge. From here on, every time you meet the edge of the old contract, don't treat it like a wall. Treat it like a doorway. Edge means growth. Edge means living. Edge means your unlived life is finally syncing with your GPS. Step through, shaking, sweating, stubborn, step through anyway. What clause in your subconscious contract are you voiding today? Write it below. Let the comment section be collective notarization. Subscribe to Digital Mind. This is where we risk truth, not rehearse coping. This video is educational and experiential, not therapy or advice. If your trauma feels unmanageable, please seek professional help. You're brave, but you don't have to do it alone.